Welcome back to Alita's channel. So today we're going to do a volcano, but not a real volcano. We're just going to do a fake volcano, but it's actually going to explode. Right now my dad is trying to get out the tape so he can tape the cup to the paper plate. At least that's what the instructions say. Okay, now we tape the cup, and now what we're gonna put it right here. Stick it on very good. Okay, so it's good. Okay, now we're going to cover the cup with the whole cup and plate with this, so it kind of looks like a volcano.
Put the volcano in the center of the.
There.
In the center there.
Where is it? Where is it? Where is it?
What is it? Baking soda.
Now we're gonna put a 1 tablespoon of baking soda, right? 1 tablespoon on it.
2 tablespoons of baking soda, 2 tablespoons of water. Is it 1 tablespoon?
And 2.
Okay. 2 tablespoons of water.
Be so cool.
Entonces, a ver, 4 tablespoons of white vinegar.
So now we are going to put some yellow food coloring in. So red paint. We're gonna put the yellow paint inside, and then the red paint outside. So it kind of looks like lava. So you put the red paint. Okay, that's enough. Whoa, okay. Now what's next?
Is slowly pour in the vinegar,
To make it explode. Okay, here we go. Did you like this volcano? Well, I liked it. If you want to try it out at home, all the ingredients you need are baking soda, 2 tablespoons of baking soda. Then you're going to need some yellow, orange, or red paint, or
Food paint.
food coloring. And if you want to get some red paint like I did, to put it on the side. And the last ingredient is the most special ingredient, which is white vinegar, which is the one that makes it all explode. So yeah. So subscribe, like, and share this video. Comment down below if you have ever done like one of these explosions or something like that. Bye. Stay safe. Love you.